Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Now I'm gonna make a 3D product on my canvas, and the 3D product is a perfume bottle. So let's get started. First of all, I will take a rectangular tool. This is my page canvas, and before starting any assignment, please note that go to view and please check that your smart guides are on or not. So okay, in mine it's on, so we'll do the next. So I'm gonna take a rectangular tool, and I'll cover whole area of my canvas, and we have to fill any color, any of your own choice. So I'm going to choose yellow color. Okay, so I've chosen yellow color for my uh, entire project, and now lock the layer. I'm gonna lock this layer. So for locking the layer, you have to go to object, and on the fourth fifth side you will get lock option. In the lock option you will get selection all artwork above all the other layers. So you have to click on selection because you have to lock your selection area. So okay, I've locked my canvas. Now I have to make a bottle. So I'll first of all I'll make its cap, bottle's cap. So uh, mhm. I'll go to selection tool, and I'll make a copy of this rectangle by pressing Alt and drag. You can adjust size of your own choice. Okay, I'll make one more copy of it, and one more. Okay, now it's looking pretty nice. Actually, mm, now it's fine. I'll drag and increase its length. Okay, now it's fine. And I'll make one more copy of this. I'll adjust my size according to my need. Okay, so this is my cap. Now I'll make its body. For making body, just press Alt and copy and adjust the size you want. So this size is fine. Now you can, on screen you can see that a rounded figure inside this rectangular block. So what is just used for curving the edges of the rectangle. So if you single click on it round, it's round, and press and drag, then it will make a rounded edges. But I don't want all the sides to be in round shape, so I will do what, I will double click on this round figure and just drag it, so you'll get a fine one-sided rounded shape. That's fine. Increase the size and zoom it. Okay, double click and just drag. It's now much more looking like a bottle's cap. Okay, now it's fine. zoom out, and just what we have to do, I'll do I'll select all and I'll group it. For grouping, you have to go to object and there will be option of group. Just press group and okay, release it. Now I have to make a 3D dimension of this bottle. So for making 3D dimension, we have to first go to pathfinder. Here my pathfinder is present, and just trim, go to trim option and click on the trim. So its all edges will be get trimmed from the body. Now go to effects on the property panel, have a property panel, go to effects and go to 3D and just go to option of revolve, and in revolve you will get a 3D dimension. Okay, so if you can see a 3D dimension now. uh, okay, it's fine. By this way you can adjust it as of your own choice. Okay, I need this side. Now it's looking fine. So my laptop is little of old version, so it may take a time according to your RAM, so it's taking much time in my side. Okay, now go to plastic shading and see what you want to see. Like if you want to see wireframe of the body, you can just click on the wireframe and you'll get a framing of your body. And no shading, if you don't want any shading, you'll get automatically the original one. And diffused shading, in diffused shading there is very less amount of 3D effect will be there. But most of the times the body of the perfumes are plastic or tin, so I will select plastic body and then on more option, click on more option and then increase the intensity. What just happened here? No, it's fine. Go to more option and light intensity set accordingly. Okay, ambient light. Ambient light is the light that gets spreaded all over the body, so we want less ambient light. Okay, now it's fine. Highlight size, you can highlight, increase or decrease the highlight of the body. Shading color, yeah, it's good for shading color. Black is the appropriate color for your shading, and it's taking time, but no problem. Go to map art, and in map art you can see surfaces, symbols and surface. Go to surface and start changing. I want to print on the, just a second. So I want a little amount of print on the cap. First of all, I'll get a print on the body of the perfume. So go to symbol and just choose any of your own choice. I will go to vector green. Okay, shade your artwork. Okay. I will go to ribbon and scale it accordingly. So this is our last. It's now much looking like a bottle, or we can say a perfume bottle. Now what we'll do is we'll just make a circle. Go to ellipse tool and just make a circle of black color. Just copy one more circle, press Alt, go to selection and just press Alt and drag one more circle. Decrease the size of the circle and fill white color. Adjust inside the black circle. Now zoom in, group that both circles. Now it has been grouped. Decrease the size and put it on the bottle. For dropping a shadow, just select the full body, go to object and group it. After grouping, go to effect and stylize, drop shadow. Yes, it will drop a shadow. Okay, now for looking for making it more 3D, select ellipse tool, just draw an ellipse of oval shape, fill it with a gray color and just put it below the bottle. Now right click of your mouse, arrange and send to back. And send backward. Okay, send to backward. Now it's looking like move 3D. Just group it. It's grouped now. The full body of with the shadow, including the shadow. My full project is now grouped. Now we want some text. Okay, so go to text tool, type tool, and go to vertical type tool and type what you want. I will type aroma. Okay, I will type aroma. increase the size of the letters. Okay, now it's good. Place it perfectly on the bottle and just leave it. Increase the size if you want. Mm. Again, go to object. First of all, select full body, go to object and just group it. Okay, it's taking much time for the final result. That's for some time. Meanwhile, there is two way. The first one, बस बस बाकी आप समझ गए होंगे. जी हाँ, बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. आप अपना काम करिए फिर. And this is my final project. So just go to file and save. Saved. Go to file and go to save as option or export. Go to export option and export it as a JPEG or JPG file. Okay, now it's completely done. Thank you for your sincerity.